first thing you'll want to do is mark your board at 12 inches for the taller cat. Draw your line so you'll know exactly where to cut. And then mark your board again at 8 inches for the smaller cat. Here I'm just measuring for the ears of the cats. You want to mark 2 inches down from the top of your board and then just find the center point and then connect your dot to the outside edge. Go ahead and give everything a nice little sand. I think I used like 120 grit for this. Basically, you just want to knock down any roughness and make sure that the edges aren't sharp. You can use whatever paint you want for these. I just did spray paint because it was quick and easy, but since these will be inside, it's not like you have to worry about them being weatherproof or anything. With the distressing, I like to do just enough to where you can see the wood grain on the front and a little bit on the edges. Now this is completely up to you. You can leave it completely black or you can distress it as much as you want. I think I used 80 grit on this. On the eyes, yes, we did use a laser. However, you could use a scroll saw to also cut these out. It's just thin plywood. Just be super careful. And here I just used, again, just simple spray paint, quick and easy. Of using a pen nailer is all you got to do is just take a little bit of paint and cover those holes up, and then you really never even knew they were there. And after you get the top coat sprayed on there, just take some yarn or whatever you want to use. I used 2 pieces, tied in a little bow, and put it up however high on the face you want it to, and then there's your whiskers. Quick and easy fall project. You could make it completely from scraps if you wanted to, but stay tuned. I'm planning on making a couple of other things for fall. Hope to see you then.